precondition answers thought. Nothing stands alone. Change begins within emotion, with power clearly known. Mental action shapes direction, awareness leads the way. What I recognize as possible responds without delay. As consciousness expands inward, strength begins to grow. Unity replaces struggle, and clarity starts to show. The source of power is not distant, it lives within my view. The more I recognize this union, the more I know what to do. Imperfect patterns lose their hold when attention shifts inside. Mastery grows through recognition of force, not fear. The imperfect patterns lose their hold when attention shifts inside. Mastery grows through recognition of force, not fear, not pride. I align with sustains me. I move with steady trust. Conditions yield to awareness as limitation turns to dust.